In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack URL in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or have been using it for a while, knowing where to find your workspace URL can come in handy, especially when you're coordinating with team members or accessing Slack from new devices. So let's dive right in. To start, open up your web browser and head over to the Slack website. You'll be navigating through the Slack ecosystem, which is a hub for team collaboration, bringing together all the tools and services you need to get the job done. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Instead of entering your email and password, a more streamlined option is to sign in with Google. This method is not only quicker but also more secure, as it saves you from having to remember yet another password. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your command center where all your workspaces and channels are centralized. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Your next step is to locate your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the Slack window and is often represented by your profile picture or initials, making it easy to spot. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Account Settings. This is your portal to managing all your personal preferences and settings across the Slack platform. Now, within the Account Settings menu, look for Settings and Permissions. This section is crucial because it houses all the controls for customizing your workspace experience. Next, you'll need to find and click on Workspace Name and URL. This is where all the information about your specific workspace, including its URL, is stored. Clicking on it will take you to a page that outlines various details about your workspace, most importantly, your Slack URL. To secure this URL for future reference or to share with colleagues, simply click on Workspace URL. This will highlight your unique Slack URL, and from there you can copy it using your keyboard shortcuts or by right-clicking to copy. And there you have it, a straightforward process to locate your Slack URL. Remember, this URL is a crucial piece of information for accessing your workspace, especially when you're away from your usual devices. Keep it handy and share it only with those who have permission to access your workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and guides. See you in the next video.